Today's recipe is Dhaba style mushroom masala. This recipe turns out so delicious, guys. It pairs perfectly with roti or jeera rice. Let's make this together. So set a pot on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of oil. I've used avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I added in a sad looking cinnamon stick along with half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds start to splutter, we are going to add in 4 tablespoons of onion and we are going to sprinkle some salt so the onions cook faster. You're going to stir fry the onions for a minute and then add in 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Continue to stir the onions for another minute or 2 or until they turn golden brown in color. Next goes in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder and half a tablespoon of red chilli powder. Make sure to turn down the heat and stir fry the spices for about 20 to 30 seconds. Next goes in some chopped tomatoes. This is 1 medium-sized tomato. Give that a stir and then we are going to place the lid on for about 1 or 2 minutes or until the tomatoes turn mushy. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe for exciting recipes every week. Continue to stir fry the tomato paste for another 1 or 2 minutes or until the paste glides easily on the surface of the pan. Next goes in 300 grams of diced mushrooms along with some salt that's going to help soften the mushrooms. We're going to stir fry this for approximately 2 minutes or until the mushrooms start to sweat a little. Yes, that's how it should look like. At this point, we are going to add in 1.5 cups of water. We're going to give it a quick stir and we're going to place the lid on and let that gravy simmer for at least 5 minutes. Guys, if you prefer written recipes, I also have a blog, so do check out the link in the description section. It's been 5 minutes. If you prefer a thicker curry, you could reduce the gravy a little more if you like. I like it this way. And now it's time to add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and we are also going to add 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or Kasuri methi. Crush it in between your palms and add it in because that intensifies the flavor. Give that all a good mix and let's check for salt. It already tastes so flavorful. It does need a little bit salt, so I'm adding that in. Now it's time to make our gravy creamy with half a cup of heavy cream. Also add in a handful of coriander leaves. We're going to give that a quick stir and we're going to place the lid on for just 2 minutes. The cream is going to melt a little and the consistency of the gravy is going to turn a little bit oily. It tastes yummier that way. And that's it. Our dish is ready, and get ready with your rotis or naan or rice and enjoy.